Ready? Yay! Yay! I've just received a silver play button from YouTube. Yay! Thank you, YouTube. Okay, let me show you. Oh, it's lighter than I thought. Okay, I love it. Presented to I Am Xiaowei for passing 100,000 subscribers from YouTube. It looks so beautiful. I started posting constantly on YouTube in November 2022 and it actually started to blow up in December. Let me show you my YouTube analytics. It's like I grew from 8,000 to 100,000 in less than 10 days. Most of the videos I did were YouTube Shorts and some videos hit millions of views. I normally post only on TikTok and Reels, but this is still so amazing to me. I'm so thankful to you all. Yes, the one who is watching this video. Thank you so much. So, as appreciation to each one of you, I will do a Robux and Amazon gift card giveaway to 5 lucky winners in my Discord channel. How do you join my giveaway? Just watch till the end and I will share the details. Okay, a small hint for you. Count the number of eyes appearing behind me in this video because the winner would need to tell me the number of eyes in this video to win. Where would it appear? It would appear throughout the entire video. Okay, so there is a few Yai gang asking about a day in my life as a content creator, and I will do a short vlog of my normal day. Let's go! So now we are in our shooting room. I do most of my shooting here nowadays. Let's have a room tour. This is my costumes. For example, this is sister's costume, okay? Familiar? This is the clothes for my friends. Normally I wear a t-shirt inside. Okay. Alright, and I will do the friend's character with these glasses. The glasses without the glass here. Okay. I have the doctor. You can see. This, for example, teacher or lawyer or agent or something. My Yai hoodie. Okay. Actually, I have 2 Yai hoodie and you're sure I will have more, maybe. Hoodie on sale, maybe. Okay. I also have mom's aprons in different colors. Okay, I have red, purple, blue, okay, everything. Let's come to here. Beside the costume, this is my props area. This is the rich mom, what rich mom would usually use. The gold hat, the gold bars, and the gold bracelet, necklace, all here. Then all the spectacles, and this is for Asian mom. This is the trophy with Messi's printed signature here. We have the branches that we collect in the garden downstairs. Here. And then we also have the wigs. Comment in the comments, you know this is for which character and this is for which character, if you know, okay? Comment. Alright, what else do we have? Let's see. Okay, and then this is where I usually do my YouTube content on this sofa with this background. Okay, I will set the camera over there and then I will start most of the time is the talking part lah. These are all the bigger props that I will put, and then these are the artificial plant I use for my background. And then here, this is my small green screen that I use to do my basic, easy green screen shooting here. Of course, we have the lighting. Okay, lighting is very important. I have quite a few lightings in the office, and then currently we are using one only. Yes, and yeah. Okay, let's go to upstairs. Normally we do green screen shooting at the upstairs. Okay, so here we go. This is my green screen room, and normally I do my How to Yai series here with a bigger green screen. Why? Because sometimes I will need to do a bigger action like this, so this can cover up all my actions and everything. I will have the lighting in my left hand side and my right hand side because lighting is very important. Nothing much here, just this. And let's go downstairs. And now we are downstairs. Let's move to living room areas. This is where we always get scolded by mom. So we will say, "Mom, sorry mom, I broke the sofa." Next scene, so we will get punished by mom and turn into different silly things. Okay, now I will go and get the cake for my 100k subscriber celebrations with my team. Okay, I'll head to a bakery nearby where I always buy my chocolate tarts, and their cakes are very delicious as well. Let's go. Okay, here we are. We have arrived. Okay, let's go down. This is the one. Okay, no car. Let's go. Okay, here we are. Okay, so our team, most of them, they don't like to eat cakes. So end up, I bought a very tiny cute cake and some tarts for them. So it will be a very simple but meaningful celebration. Got a candle as well. Okay, so it's 6 p.m. now and I'm done for the day. And finally, here are the giveaway details. What will you win? I'll be giving away a $10 Amazon gift card, 3 $10 Roblox gift cards, and a $25 Roblox gift card. You have to join my Yai Discord channel and I will start the giveaway when the channel hits 1,000 members. It's around 500 members now.
Huh?
So do share it out with your friend to reach 1,000 members earlier. I will randomly pick 5 winners and the winners need to tell me how many Yai words appeared behind me in this video in order to get the prize. If you miss out, watch the video again. Okay, thank you everyone, and remember to join my Yai Discord channel for the giveaway, and the link is at the description below. See you in the next video. Yay! Bye!